Dear students, can we imagine a world without adjectives? If we simply say, a garden, a student, a castle, an animal, the sentence will lose its color and beauty. But, if we say, the beautiful garden, a brilliant student, an ancient castle, a dangerous animal, the sentence will get its color and beauty. So, to beautify a sentence, it is a must to use adjectives in a sentence. Part 1. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes, identifies, qualifies, or modifies a noun or pronoun. It tells us, what kind? An honest man. Which one? This book, that book. How many? 2 or 5 pens. How much? Little water, some sugar. Whose? His or her friend. Here, yellow-colored words are adjectives. Part 2. Why are adjectives important? Adjectives help us. 1. To describe things clearly. A house, a large house. A river, a deep river. 2. To compare people and objects. John is taller than Mark. This road is wider than that one. 3. To express feelings and opinions. Wonderful experience, horrible accident, amazing performance. 4. To make writing more attractive. Without adjective, I saw a bird. With adjective, I saw a magnificent golden bird. The second sentence creates a vivid picture. Main types of adjectives. Types of adjectives. Adjectives can be divided into several categories. 1. Descriptive adjectives. These describe the quality, color, shape, size, age, or condition of a noun. Examples: the beautiful girl won the competition. We walked under the blue sky. They bought a large apartment. Quantitative adjectives. Adjectives like some, little, enough, sufficient, much tell us how much. Examples: I have enough money. There is little water in the bottle. We need some sugar. Numeral adjectives. Adjectives like one, two, many, several, few, each, every tell us how many. Dear students, bear in mind that there are 3 types of numeral adjectives. Definite numeral adjectives. Exact numbers like 1, 2, 5, 10, etc. are definite numeral adjectives. Examples: 3 students were absent. I bought 2 pens. Indefinite numeral adjectives. Adjectives like some, many, few, several, all, any, and most are indefinite numeral adjectives. Examples: several people attended the meeting. Many birds flew away. Distributive numeral adjectives. Adjectives like each, every, either, neither are distributive numeral adjectives. Examples: each student received a prize. Every house was decorated. Demonstrative adjectives. Adjectives like this, that, these, those are demonstrative adjectives. Examples: this book is interesting. Those flowers are beautiful. 5. Possessive adjectives. Adjectives like my, your, his, her, its, our, there are possessive adjectives. Examples: my car is new. Their house is huge. 6. Interrogative adjectives. Adjectives like which, what, whose are interrogative adjectives. Examples: which book do you want? What color do you prefer? Whose bag is this? 7. Proper adjectives. These adjectives are created from proper nouns. Examples: I enjoy Bangladeshi food. Chinese products are sold worldwide. 8. Emphasizing adjectives. Adjectives like own, very are emphasizing adjectives. Examples: I saw it with my own eyes. He is the very person I mentioned. Positions of an adjective in a sentence. An adjective may appear as before a noun, after the noun, after a linking verb, after certain verbs, after the indefinite pronoun, as object complements. Adjectives before a noun. This is the most common position. Examples: she bought a beautiful dress. They live in a large house. He is an intelligent student. Adjectives after a noun. Some adjectives come after nouns. Examples: we found Rohan active. She met a person worthy of respect. Adjectives after a linking verb. Structure: subject plus linking verb plus adjective. Examples: the sky is blue. She looks happy. The soup tastes delicious. Here, in these sentences, blue, happy and delicious are adjectives while is Looks and tastes are linking verbs. Adjectives after certain verbs. Many adjectives naturally follow verbs. Look, feel, sound, smell, taste, seem, become. Examples: you look tired. The food smells wonderful. The music sounds beautiful. Adjectives after indefinite pronouns. Examples: something interesting, someone special, nothing important, anybody capable. Sentences: I found something valuable. Nobody responsible was present. Here, valuable and responsible are adjectives while something and nobody are indefinite pronouns. Adjectives as comparative degree, used between two persons or things. Examples: John is taller than Mike. This book is more interesting than that one. Adjectives as superlative degree, used among three or more. Examples: Mount Everest is the highest mountain. She is the most talented student. Quick tricks to identify an adjective. A word is likely an adjective if it describes a noun: beautiful, flower, intelligent, student. Again, a word is likely an adjective if you get answers after these questions. What kind? Which one? How many? How much? Whose? Besides, an adjective often ends with full, beautiful, ooze, dangerous, I've, active, able, comfortable, al, natural, I see, historic, less, careless. Part 8. Common mistakes. Wrong. She is a red, beautiful girl. Correct will be, she is a beautiful red girl. Common mistakes. Wrong. The flower smells sweetly. Correct will be, the flower smells sweet. After linking verbs, use adjectives. Common mistakes. Wrong. He is more taller than me. Correct will be, he is taller than me. Common mistakes. Wrong. This is most interesting book. Correct. This is the most interesting book. Now, quiz time. One. She bought a dash dress. A. Beauty. B. Beautifully. C. Beautiful. D. Beautify. Two. The soup tastes dash. A. Well. B. Good. C. Carefully. D. Quickly. Three. I have dash books. A. 3. B. Thirdly. C. Threefold. D. Triple. Four. Dash car is parked outside. A. Which? B. Whatsoever. C. Very. D. Several. Five. This is the dash building in the city. A. Tall. B. Taller. C. Tallest. D. More tall. Thanks for watching.